This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christine Montilia. This street kit's floor plan is fantastic, offering a great room with 5 sliders that lead out to the southern-facing paver lanai with heated pool. Enjoy taking in the Florida sunshine and looking out over the lovely lake and fabulous wildlife. This floor plan offers a spacious master suite with a lovely sitting area overlooking the pool and lake, 2 walk-in California-style closets, large soaking tub, walk-in shower and 2 separate sinks. The guest bedroom is located in the front of the home, right next to the guest bath and study with rich wood built-ins. The spacious kitchen has granite countertops, stainless appliances and is a wonderful space to entertain family and friends. The 2-car garage has a new generator large enough to run the AC. This home is complete with accordion hurricane shutters. And #XD and #SAW. Cascades at Estero is a very active resort-style 55-plus community. The Grand Clubhouse is 28,000 square feet. The community swimming pool features indoor/outdoor swimming. There is a full-time activities director that plans numerous community activities and gatherings. Pickleball, tennis, bocce, billiards room, large fitness center and so much more. For more information, review the details below.